Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop. So we got the 63 Ford sitting over here. I've done a little bit more polishing on it, you can see. No chassis under it, no tires, no nothing. But good news is we have a donor. This is a 2006 Crown Vic Police Interceptor. Picked this up here just a couple days ago. Was told it has a tranny problem. Haven't taken a look at it yet. As far as the transmission goes, I started ripping a couple things apart in there, but it's actually fairly clean. 166,000 miles on it. Really solid car, 4.6. Apparently third and fourth gear doesn't work in the transmission, but she runs like a champ. Has real good tires on. Real nice wheels that will look really good underneath that pickup right over there. So we're going to take this apart and save the chassis, try and save the fuel cell, save all the wiring, move all the wiring over. Engine, transmission, I'll probably rebuild the transmission or have somebody else rebuild it, haven't decided yet. Save everything we can off of here that I can make work on the truck over there. So front seats I'll save as well and wire them in. Well, at least the driver's one I'll wire in. Maybe wire in the seat belts, get everything, or not wire in the seat belts, excuse me. Hook up the seat belts, make sure that that's working good. But other than that, I'm just going to get rid of everything else and we're going to go to town on it. So this thing's going to get tore apart and should end up being a pretty good little rig for, or little chassis for this rig over here. The 4.6 runs awesome. They had cut the mufflers off, so it sounds halfway decent. But we'll adjust all that. Probably save the brake booster and master cylinder, and make everything we can work. Didn't pay a whole lot for this car. I got it for less than $1,000, so I figured for that, with the tires that are on it alone, they're $200 tire a piece plus the wheels. I think I got my money's worth out of it. So just figured I'd give you a heads up and show you what's going on, and we will tear this beast apart, hopefully quicker than later. Yeah, so stay tuned. We'll keep rocking this one out. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm walking where the Crown Vic was. Got the body harness down there. Dash is over there. I got one seat in the F100 right now, just for storage purposes. Got foot pedals, brake pedal, gas pedal, that's all down there. Steering column, don't know what I'll use. There's the Vic, sitting on the trailer, all in pieces. So just so you're aware, it was yesterday when I had taken the first snippet of this video. So it's all in pieces and getting ready to go away. Here we got the chassis. Left the gas tank on it for right now. We'll see how that works. Everything looks like it should work decent. So I'm gonna get the body out of here, and once I get that body out of here, then I'll go ahead and slide the F100 over. I got to move all the Crown Vic parts that I have off to the side here. I got to move all those over, and then there's the Bronco frame is underneath that. We'll slide that up on the trailer, take the rear end off and get rid of that. Nobody seems to want that either. And if these Crown Vic parts don't go, well, they're going too. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'll give it a week of them sitting here. But the Vic will be going away here shortly. Then we'll get that moved over and see what we can do to make this one unit here. So just figured I'd catch you up on what's going on. Stay tuned. All right, same day. Crown Vic gone. Mess in garage again. Crown Vic chassis underneath. So I found out I need to remove the inner fender wells so that I can work on fitting this correctly. It's about where it needs to be, I think. The box is currently sitting on top of the suspension so everything from tub to tub, end to end, will have to come out. So we'll get all that out, and then we got to shorten the frame, which is fine. So we'll take and chop the frame, move this section right here in further, and I'll take off that outside bumper. We don't need that. We'll get rid of that. But I do want to put support in there. I might just take and weld a different tube in there and then cut the end off. I'm not sure what I'll do yet. But I think it's at about the right position right now. It almost seems like it's a little back too far, but once I get those inner fenders out and get the fenders in place, then I can make sure that we're in the right spot. The rear looks like it's about right. So I'm just a little worried about the front and making sure we have enough room for the radiator and everything. But we should be in about the right spot. So that's where we're at. It's coming along pretty good. Had my kids help me move it over, move the body on. So yeah, it's going along real good, and hopefully we'll get moving on it and cut out the floor and everything soon, and get this truck body dropped down on the frame and go from there. Then we get to have the fun of wiring everything. So I'm hoping everything works. I'm hoping everything fits. People have done this before, so it's not the first time it's done. So hopefully everything goes well without me needing to shorten a chassis, because I don't feel like messing with the drive shaft. I just want to put it together and drive it. So yeah, so that's it for the day. So if you got any questions or anything, leave a message in the comments. Otherwise, if you want to continue to watch the build, like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Have a good one.